Ever wondered what Gojo Satoru's favorite dish is? It's time to unravel the mystery. From the popular anime Jujutsu Kaisen, Gojo's preferred meal is a modest yet savory dish of rice and ginger. This dish, in its simplicity, mirrors Gojo's lifestyle, straightforward yet potent. It's a testament that even in the world of anime, the most powerful characters crave the simplest comforts. So are you intrigued by the blend of anime and culinary delights? Ready to dive into the world of anime gastronomy? Buckle up, buckle. So what makes up Gojo's favorite dish? At the heart of this dish are 5 simple yet meaningful ingredients: rice, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, and scallions. First up, we have the rice. Plain and unassuming, it represents Gojo's humble lifestyle. Despite his immense power and popularity, he remains grounded and modest. Next is the ginger. Its spiciness mirrors Gojo's fiery personality. Just like this root, he can be intense and impactful, leaving a lasting impression on everyone he encounters. Then we have the soy sauce and sesame oil. These 2 ingredients, when combined, create a perfect balance of flavors, much like the equilibrium Gojo maintains in his life amidst chaos and tranquility. Lastly, the scallions. They add a dash of color and freshness to the dish, symbolic of Gojo's vibrant spirit and liveliness. Now that you know the significance of each ingredient, let's move on to the cooking process. Ready to cook up a storm anime style? It's time to dive into Gojo Satoru's favorite dish, rice and ginger. First off, let's get that rice nice and clean. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Once it's washed, cook it according to your preferred method. Whether it's a rice cooker, stovetop, or even a microwave, the choice is yours. While the rice cooks, let's turn our attention to the star of the show, the ginger. Peel and finely chop it, then saute it in a pan with a little bit of oil until it's golden and fragrant. Now let's add a splash of soy sauce and a drizzle of sesame oil to give it that rich umami flavor we all love. Finally, sprinkle freshly chopped scallions over the top for that pop of color and an extra layer of freshness. And there you have it, a simple yet flavorful dish that's a favorite of the most powerful Jujutsu sorcerer. So, what's so special about this rice and ginger dish? Well, it's a staple food that's easy to make, yet rich in flavor, much like the character of Gojo Satoru. This humble dish mirrors his down-to-earth personality and love for simplicity. It's not just about the ingredients, but the love and care that goes into making it, a sentiment that reflects Gojo's dedication to his students. Next time you watch Jujutsu Kaisen, why not enjoy it with a bowl of Gojo's favorite dish? It's simple, delicious, and packed with meaning, just like our beloved character.